Hello, that's me and my ADHD. So I've decided to buy these earplugs. They're called Siesta Panda for a great snuggle and snooze. So let's just check out the box here. Comes in a nice cute little box that I suppose you can use again and again for storing them for when you're not using them. So you get a couple of little disposable earplugs there. These are your short reusable earplugs, and these are the long reusable earplugs. And then we've got two sets of mouldable putty of some sort. I've never used these ones, I've only ever used the disposable ones, so we'll see what they're like then. And you get a cute little brush for cleaning all the earwax out of them after you've used them. Nice. And you also get a cool string to let's see if we can attach them, just see how easy it is. See how easy it is to lose them if they're not attached to something. Okay, that's a bit tight. Yeah, I can't see them slipping out of there anytime soon. Right, then what I'll be doing is giving these a little go outside. Okay, that felt like that touched my throat. Right, yeah, see you guys in a little while.